Hi everyone, this is Gerald and welcome back to my channel. It's Las Vegas Motor Speed. Today it's March 30th, 2022, day of Wednesday. Guys, I have a bad news for you guys. I just received a letter from Yamaha company here in the USA that my Yamaha Mt-09 has a recall, which is a 2022 model. It's saying here, due to improper ECU programming, the engine could stall if the clutch lever was not fully pulled during downshifting or if the throttle was open just slightly from idle. Also, due to improper programming, throttle response could be limited. If the throttle was closed full during deceleration, a condition that would be accompanied by the engine trouble warning light coming on. Or in another situation, the engine trouble warning light may not come on at all. All to alert the operator if an actual component or system or exists, any of this condition could result in loss of control and a crash with a severe injury and death. So I felt bad because I received this recall and my motorcycle is just brand new. Well, it's not like a major concern like engine problems, but basically we just need to go to the dealership to have them check and reflash the ECU to avoid this kind of problem. So that's what we're going to do today. And thank you for watching, and for those who haven't been subscribed yet, you can subscribe on my channel, Las Vegas Motor Speed. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my latest vlog. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, and shout out all the riders here in the USA as well in the Philippines and all over the world.
A few moments later.
Hello, I'm back. Welcome back to my channel, Las Vegas Motor Speed. Today it's a beautiful day, so I'm going to the dealership to have my motorcycle checked with them because I have a recall letter from Yamaha company USA that I need to reflash or reprogram my ECU for my safety or the rider's safety. So I already warm up the engine, and it's actually my day off, so it's perfect. And weather is perfect too. It's always been sunny here in Vegas. Alright, so before we go, let's pre-check everything: brakes, clutch, signal light, horn. And it's all good to go. I felt bad because I just bought this motorcycle like this year January, and it has already issue on it regarding ECU, but it's not a major issue. But as a buyer consumer, should be nothing wrong with it because it's brand new and it's Japan built. So, well, things happen like that. Anyways, thank you for all my subscribers and viewers. For those who haven't been subscribed yet, you can subscribe to my channel, Las Vegas Motor Speed. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my latest vlog. So I'm using my GPS right now because I don't know how to get there, and it's my first time to go there. Woo! That's the first pull. All right. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. It's been a while that I haven't actually ride this motorcycle. I've been busy to work. I'm so happy. It's my ride day today. Weather check, sunny, and less traffic. Woohoo! Nice. Super smooth. Shifting. I just love the quick shifter. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully it's not gonna take long when they do the reflash on my ECU. So the temperature is between 60 to 70. It gets to 80 later this afternoon, but it's getting hot here in Vegas. So we're gonna pass the freeway. I'm gonna show you guys the freeway of Vegas. I'm gonna go to 215 East. So it's about 15 minutes more to get there. Time check, it's 8:15 a.m. So this is the freeway, guys. There's a lot of cars here. Woo! Yeah, baby.
One hour later.
So we're at the dealership right now. Look at this beautiful motorcycle for sale, brand new. Oh, they have a red one. Oh, it's a pre-owned. Hello. Hi, good morning. I have an appointment today.
Okay.
My name is Gerald Sampson.
Do you know who you're talking to?
I forgot the name. Because I have a recall for my motorcycle.
Okay. You're probably going to need to go down to service, so you're going to hit that wall right there and take a left.
Okay,
And then those guys over there will help you out.
got it. Wow, this is the Honda section.
Eventually.
Alright folks, so they just finished reflushing my ECU. This is pertaining my recall for this motorcycle. And it's good to go. I'm so happy they did that for my safety.